Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I'm your science teacher, Miss Sehrish Javed. I hope that you all are fine by the grace of God. Kids, this is your Science Factor Book 3. And in our previous 4 lectures, we have covered Unit number 1, the human body. We did the reading and explanation of this unit, and we did the copywork. In 5th lecture, we are going to learn about Unit number 2, the animal world, from page number 10. Kids, you see different animals around you, and today we are going to learn about that animals. The study of animals is called zoology. Animals यानी जानवरों की स्टडी को हम zoology कहते हैं. So we are going to start our study of zoology with the life cycle of an animal. Topic 2.1. What is a life cycle? A life cycle is all the changes that an animal goes through from birth to death. किसी भी animal की life में उसकी birth से लेकर उसकी death तक जितने भी changes आते हैं उन सब changes को हम life cycle कहते हैं. It is not only animals that have a life cycle. और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ animals ही नहीं हैं जिनका life cycle होता है. Every living thing has a life cycle. In fact, तमाम living things यानी तमाम जानदारों का life cycle होता है. As humans are animals and living things, so we also have a life cycle. An animal's life cycle starts when it is born. जब एक animal पैदा होता है तो उसका life cycle start हो जाता है. As you can see in the picture, this is a baby elephant. And the life cycle continues as the animal grows up. And जैसे जैसे animal grow करता है, उसका life cycle continue यानी जारी रहता है. Until its death. Even when an animal dies, and जब एक animal की death होती है, kids, as you know, जब किसी human की death होती है तो उसे soil में यानी मट्टी में bury किया जाता है, दफनाया जाता है. And इसी तरह जब किसी animal की death होती है तो वो भी soil पे ही होता है. So dead animals की body में से जितने भी nutrients हैं वो soil में मिल जाते हैं. These are used by plants to help them grow. And वो nutrients plants को help करते हैं grow करने में. Other animals feed on these plants and फिर दूसरे animals इन plants पे feed करते हैं. Means दूसरे animals इन plants से अपना खाना लेते हैं. In this way, even a dead animal can help the life cycles of other animals. And इस तरह से dead animals भी दूसरे animals की life cycle में उनकी help करते हैं. Kids, I have an activity for you on page number 11. In this picture, in this box, you have to draw or paste your picture when you were a baby. इस बॉक्स में आपने अपनी वो पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी है या ड्रॉ करनी है जब आप छोटे से बेबी थे. In this box, you have to paste or draw a picture that's showing how you look now. इस बॉक्स में आपने वो पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी है या ड्रॉ करनी है जैसे आप अभी नजर आते हैं. And in this box, you have to draw your picture कि जब आप अडल्ट होंगे यानी अपने पेरेंट्स जितने बड़े हो जाएंगे तब आप देखने में कैसे लगेंगे. So kids, you have to do this activity on page number 11. Kids, we have learned that different changes occur during a life cycle. So in this topic, we are going to discuss about that changes. Our topic is grow or change from page number 12. Every living thing grows bigger. Kids, तमाम जानदार बड़े होते हैं. For example, there was a time when your parents and grandparents were babies. And with the passage of time, they grow and become your parents and grandparents. One day, the puppy will be as big as the fully grown dog. Kids, as you can see in the picture, the baby dog looks like its parent, but it is small in size. And one day, it will be as big as the fully grown dog. And this is a baby fish. It is also looking very similar to its parent, but it is also small in size. And one day, the baby fish will be as big as the fully grown fish. Like the puppy and the fully grown dog, some animals look very similar throughout their lives. Puppy and fully grown dog की तरह बहुत से animals अपनी पूरी लाइफ में एक जैसे ही नजर आते हैं. We can say that they have grown, but their physical features have not changed very much. And हम ये कह सकते हैं कि वो साइज में तो चेंज हुए हैं, लेकिन फिजिकल फीचर्स यानी देखने में वो कुछ ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं हुए. As you can see in the picture, this is a foal baby horse, and it is looking very similar to its parent. And the babies of humans also look very similar to their parents. But there are some animals that look very different at different times of their lives. But कुछ ऐसे animals हैं जो अपनी life के different stages पे बहुत different लगते हैं. They have grown and their physical features have also changed a lot. वो size में तो change होते हैं, बड़े होते हैं, लेकिन physical features यानी देखने में भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा change हो जाते हैं. For example, frogs and their babies. Kids, you might think these are the babies of fish, but these are not the babies of fish. These are the babies of frogs. The babies of frogs are called tadpoles. Frog के babies को tadpoles कहते हैं. And tadpoles बिल्कुल भी अपने parents की तरह नहीं नजर आते. Frogs don't just look different when they are young tadpoles. They live differently as well. Frogs के babies सिर्फ और सिर्फ देखने में ही अपने parents से different नहीं होते, बल्कि ये अपने parents से अलग तरीके से भी रहते हैं. As tadpoles, they live under water. Baby frogs यानी tadpoles पानी में रहते हैं. That's why tadpoles की tail होती है, इनकी legs नहीं होते, ताकि वो पानी में swim कर सकें. As adult frogs, they also live on land. And जैसे जैसे tadpoles बड़े होते हैं, वो land पे भी रहते हैं. So kids, this was our today's lecture. I hope that you have understand the both topics very well. Kids, this is your copywork of 5th lecture. You have to write these questions in your Neat Science copies. First of all, you have to write date, day. Then you have to draw a margin line. Then you have to write unit number 2, the animal world. Topics, what is a life cycle? And topic number 2, grow or change. Then you have to give the heading, answer these questions. Question number 1, what is a life cycle? Answer, a life cycle is all the changes that an animal goes through from birth to death. And question number 2, in what different ways do animals change as they grow? Answer, animals change in size, shape, and color. So kids, I hope that you have understood it very well. That's all for today. Take care and Allah Hafiz.